Today is Tuesday, June 11th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. We got a taste of, I'd say mid-spring for parts of central and western New York, interior sections of the Northeast. In fact, that's why I'm wearing a sweatshirt, because I'm in Syracuse right now, and it is definitely on the cool side. But it was not as bad in New York City, and it won't be. It'll be comfortable the next couple of days in New York, Philly, and D.C., but by the end of the week, by Thursday, you're going to feel the heat again with temperatures climbing into the upper 80s. We'll start off with today's forecast. 60s and comfortable this morning. You can get away without needing a light jacket or anything like that. Upper 70s in the afternoon with mostly sunny skies, and then falling back closer to 70 with partly cloudy skies later on this evening. Air quality is good. It's always a nice thing when you can get back-to-back days with good air quality, and that's what we have for you to start this week. So not bad here, right? 74 in Boston, 75 Albany, upper 70s New York and Philly. But then you head into more interior areas, central western Pennsylvania, central and western New York, and highs are in the 60s. And yesterday, some spots struggled to even climb much above 60 degrees. So that's definitely a cool air mass that's in place. We'll see lows in those areas in the 50s tonight. New York, Philly settling into the 60s once again later on. So the pocket of cool air really centered over, we'll say, Michigan, Ontario, Canada, and then portions of New York State and Pennsylvania. Right along the coast or closer to the coast, it's really not so bad. As this area of high pressure slides east, remember, the circulation around high pressure is clockwise, right? So back here on the back side of it, the wind is much more southerly. So as this slides east, you can imagine those southerly winds kick up for the northeast, and that's why we're going to see warmer temperatures. This translates to a high of 80 tomorrow, 87 on Thursday, 90 on Friday, and 85 on Saturday. We cool down Saturday night into Sunday. That's a cold front. There will likely be some showers and storms with that front Saturday night. But if that front's a little bit faster, it would be on Saturday. If that front's a little bit slower, it could be a Sunday. So what I'm telling you right now is that the weekend forecast may have to change a little bit. But right now, if it happens in the overnight hours, we get much of Saturday and Sunday dry in New York City. That won't be the case in upstate New York because you'll get it a few hours earlier. So at this point, count on some showers and storms on Saturday for interior sections of the Northeast. All right, that is your Tuesday morning weather update. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there's always going to be a 100% chance of good things.